You sit at home and scroll your phone, dreaming about becoming rich. You imagine a different life, but nothing around you changes. Every day feels the same, and deep down you know it. In your mind, you see luxury cars and money falling from the sky. Everything looks easy in your imagination. But reality stays exactly where it is. You open your wallet and see almost nothing inside. It hits you again, you're still stuck. And you don't know what to do next. You scroll social media and watch other people winning. They show success, freedom, and money. And you feel like you're falling behind. You keep thinking about a big idea that will change everything. But days go by and you still haven't started. Thinking feels easier than acting. Time keeps moving forward whether you act or not. The clock doesn't care about your plans. And every second you wait, you lose opportunity. Outside, people are building, working, moving. They are creating something every single day. But you stay inside, watching. You try to plan something, but distractions take over. Your phone pulls you back every time. And your focus disappears again. You rest while opportunities pass right by you. You don't even notice them. They come and go quietly. You start questioning everything. Why is it so hard to move forward? Or maybe you're just not moving at all. Then suddenly, a small idea appears. Not big, not perfect, just simple. But this time, you don't ignore it. You start searching for unusual ways to make money. Not the typical advice everyone repeats. Something different catches your attention. You discover that in Japan, people sell air in cans. Yes, literally air. And people actually buy it. At first, it sounds crazy. Why would anyone pay for something so simple? But then you realize, it's not about the product. It's about perception. It's about emotion. It's about how you present it. You start observing the world differently. People sell simple things every day. And others happily buy them. You notice small vendors making money from basic items. Nothing complicated, nothing genius. Just action. You grab a notebook and write your ideas. They are simple, maybe even stupid. But at least they exist now. You begin to understand something important. Money doesn't come from complexity. It comes from execution. You sketch your first idea. It's not perfect, but it's real. And that already puts you ahead. You create your first simple product. It doesn't cost much. But it's yours. You take something ordinary and make it unique. You give it meaning. You give it identity. You design a label and package it properly. Now it looks like something people would buy. Presentation changes everything. You show it to your first potential customer. You feel nervous. But you still try. And then it happens. Someone buys it. Your first real money. It's not a lot. But it proves something powerful. It works. Instead of spending it, you reinvest. You think long-term now. You're building something. You improve your product step by step. Better look, better feel. Better value. You start learning basic marketing. How to attract attention. How to make people care. You test different ideas again and again. Some fail. But some work. You begin selling online. Just your phone and your idea. Nothing complicated. Orders start coming slowly. Then a little faster. You see progress. You pack products and send them out. It becomes a system. You're no longer guessing. You expand your ideas into variations. More options. More chances to sell. Money starts stacking up slowly. Not overnight. But consistently. You look back at who you were before. The difference is clear. You finally moved. You're no longer lazy. You're active. You're building. You create a small brand. Something people recognize. Something real. Confidence grows inside you. Because now you have proof. You can create results. Customers are happy. They come back. And they trust what you offer. You finally understand the truth. Money is everywhere. But only for those who act. You throw away the idea of a perfect plan. You don't need it anymore. Action replaced it. You move forward step by step. No excuses. No delays. The world looks different now. You see opportunities everywhere. Where others see nothing. Every small idea becomes potential income. You just need to try. Again and again. You build continuously. Not waiting for motivation. Just discipline. Now you are surrounded by results. Not dreams. Real outcomes. You look forward with confidence. Because you changed something important. Your mindset. You stand stronger than before. Not because of luck. Because you acted. And now you keep moving forward. Into a future you created yourself. One small action at a time.